In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delegate access to a Google Workspace user's email. Email delegation lets a trusted coworker read, organize, and send email on someone's behalf without sharing passwords. It's ideal for executives, team inboxes, or when someone is out of office, and it keeps access controlled and auditable. To enable this at the admin level, start by signing into the Google Admin Console with an administrator account. Once you're on the home page, open the Apps section. This is where you manage services for your organization. From there, select Google Workspace to view the core Google apps available to your users, and then choose Gmail. Inside Gmail settings, go to User Settings. This area controls what end users are allowed to do within their own mailboxes. Find the section for Mail Delegation. Open it and enable the option labeled Let Users Delegate Access to Their Mailbox to Other Users in the Domain. This setting allows people to grant access only to colleagues within your organization, helping maintain security and compliance. When you're done, click Save to apply your changes. If your organization uses organizational units, double-check the target at the top of the page before saving. You can apply this for the entire domain or limit it to specific departments, which is useful if only certain teams should use delegation. After saving, give the change some time to propagate, often just a few minutes, though it can take longer in larger environments. Once active, users can manage delegation from their own Gmail accounts, while you keep control of the policy centrally. Delegates will be able to read, send, and delete messages on behalf of the mailbox owner and manage labels and folders, but they cannot change the owner's password, security settings, or other account-wide preferences. Depending on how messages are sent, recipients may see that an email was sent by a delegate on behalf of the owner, which provides transparency. A few tips to keep things smooth: communicate who is authorized to be a delegate, track approvals for auditing, and encourage teams to use individual accounts rather than shared passwords. If you need tighter control, apply the setting only to the organizational units that need it. If you don't see the mail delegation option, confirm you have the right admin role and that Gmail is turned on for the selected organizational unit. If Save is unavailable, you may be viewing inherited settings. Switch to the correct organizational unit to override. That's it. You've enabled mail delegation in Google Workspace. Thanks for watching.